Hey, what's up, Boxers? This is Zack with Buildbox. So I got those survey results in, and let's take a look at them. All right. So I asked you guys, what type of videos would you like to see? And here were the results. Okay, so for YouTube live game development, about 40% of you guys said that you guys like the YouTube live game development. We've got about 25% on live Q&A, and we've got a whopping 65% of you are down for the short tutorials on how to use the software. So that's great. So it looks like that's the winner. I'm definitely going to be doing short tutorials. I'm going to be keeping them I'm going to try to keep them like under 10 minutes for you guys. But yeah, that's the results there. So I really appreciate the feedback here. About 43% of you are cool with doing a little bit of longer tutorials, something that's like, maybe 20, 30 minutes long. So I might do a couple of those. Those are definitely harder to do. The short ones are really easy, so I'm really glad that you guys are into those. Now, the other ones, short and long tutorials on how to do stuff outside of the software, like publishing to the App Store, using Xcode, Android Studio, or the Play Store, then it looks like a lot of you are really into that as well. And I think that's a big deal. I think I need to start helping you guys out a little bit more with what to do with the Buildbox games you create and how to, do signed APKs and submit to the App Store or Play Store. So I'm going to start doing those as well. And I already started working on one, so I'll have that out to you guys pretty soon. All right, game reviews. You guys aren't too crazy about that. That's fine. I totally understand that. I might throw in a game review every once in a while, but I won't be doing it as much. Buildbox news, I'll be updating you as well on that, but it won't be my primary focus. Game dev news, that's just general game development news, what's going on in the game development world right now, and I gotta say, none of you guys are really into that. That's the lowest category, so we're gonna skip that. Now, the how to use the master collection stuff. You know what? I'm gonna totally throw that into my game development videos, and so I'm gonna try to mix that in as well because we got a fair amount of you guys who wanted that, and so I'll mix it in. Now, let's see here. We've got how to work with publishers. Now, a lot of you are wanting to know about that as well, so I can definitely help you out and give you some insight on how to work with publishers as well. And then how-to video series, like something like how to make a space shooter game in completion and how to do a platformer or a minimal game or, a hyper-casual game. So a lot of you guys wanted that as well. So the 4 that really took the prize here is the how-to video series, how to work with publishers, short and long tutorials outside of the software, and short tutorials on how to use the software. So those are the results. I really, really appreciate your guys' feedback, and I'm going to start designing my videos based off of your feedback, so I really appreciate it. All right, thanks, Boxers. I'll have a tutorial video for you probably later today. All right, see you guys.
Like and subscribe.